Commander Walters. No, wait! What?
Tom, everyone's clear. Come on, let's go. You. What are you? Tom! Tom, what happened? Speak to me. Come on. It's gonna be okay. Please, get up. Come on, please wake up. Wake up. Come on. Wake up.
Marie.
We broke into a million pieces and we